Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method in Claude AI. Maybe your old card expired or you switched banks, and updating your card keeps your subscription running without any interruption. So let me show you how. It's really simple. Just want to open Claude, you want to go to your profile, click on it, then settings. In the settings we want to navigate to billing, and here you can see the payment. So if you click on update next to it, you can see your current payment method. In my case, it's this Visa debit card. So if you want to change this, click on change. And here you can click on a new payment method. I'm going to click on it, and you can type the card number, expiration date, and security code, or you can also use Google Pay if you want. And then you can click on update, and this will update your payment method. And then later, if you have multiple cards, you can click on change and you can pick which one you want to use. So let's see, if I want to use this one, I can use this one. And if I don't have credit on this one, I can check this. If declined, it will use other card which I have added. And of course, you want to fill all of those details about your address, and then you are ready to go to change your payment method. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.